prepare your instruments for moving house with specialized packing and climate control to prevent irreversible damage. Stringed instruments should have strings loosened 1/2 to 1 full turn to reduce neck tension while keeping bridge and tailpiece stabilized with soft padding under the strings at the bridge when needed. Use flight-grade hard cases or custom wooden crates sized to the instrument with at least 2 inches of dense foam or closed cell padding around all surfaces so the instrument cannot shift. For large instruments, consider bracing internal cavities and using anti-vibration mounts to reduce shock transfer. Control humidity by maintaining a relative humidity range between 40 and 50%, using buffered humidifier packs inside the case and silica gel packets in the crate for dry conditions, and avoid placing instruments in direct sunlight, uninsulated truck beds, or storage units without climate control. For keyboards and electronic instruments, remove power cords and batteries, wrap an anti-static bubble with corner protectors, and secure moving parts such as pedals and stands in separate labeled boxes for reassembly. When possible, hire a specialty instrument mover who offers temperature-controlled transport, understands instrument orientation, and uses ramped loading to avoid drops. If hiring is not feasible, carry small, valuable instruments personally in a cushioned carry case, and keep them as carry-on for long trips. Label every case with the instrument type, contact information, and handling instructions such as this side up or fragile, and photograph each instrument and its serial numbers before packing for insurance and condition records. Common mistakes include leaving strings at full tension, which can warp necks during temperature and humidity swings, so always loosen strings slightly and pad the bridge. Failing to control humidity, which causes glue joint separation and cracking, so use humidification or desiccants according to the season. And trusting generic movers who do not know instrument orientation and vibration sensitivities, so either hire specialists or supervise loading and insist on temperature-controlled placement in the vehicle. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors who can assist with specialty moving needs and crate building. And we also help contractors find work from homeowners with instrument moving jobs. Our site includes a discussion community where we and other members exchange tips, vendor recommendations, and real-world packing techniques.